Right now on Jamaica News Page tonight, a frightening crash caught on camera in Hope Bay, Portland.
Oh, they're dead. Watch out, they're dead, you know. Watch out, live right now.
Also breaking tonight, two men found dead at a car mart in St. Elizabeth. What we're learning tonight. Welcome to this special edition of Jamaica News Page tonight, news that keeps you connected to what's happening across Jamaica, and we're powered by viewers just like you. Please click subscribe and tap the notification bell to stay connected. Thank you for joining us, Cecile. Jamaica News Page tonight starts right now. We begin with breaking news out of St. Elizabeth, where police are investigating a deadly shooting at Melvin Blythe Auto in Longwood near Santa Cruz that left two men dead. Among the deceased is 64-year-old car mart owner Melvin Blythe. The second man has been identified by the alias Cowman. Preliminary reports suggest that Cowman went to Blythe's business establishment sometime Sunday morning and that an alleged confrontation occurred between the two men. Residents reported hearing loud explosions early Sunday morning. Then, later that evening, checks were made at the car mart where the bodies of both men were discovered with what appeared to be gunshot wounds. Sources indicate that Cowman was known to the police and is believed to have been involved in motor vehicle thefts across the island. Investigations are ongoing, and we will continue to follow this breaking story and bring you updates as more details become available. Turning now to this CCTV footage showing a frightening crash in Hope Bay, Portland. The video may be tough to watch for some viewers. The occupants of the silver Toyota motor vehicle appeared to exit shortly after the collision. However, it remains unclear whether they or the occupants of the other vehicle involved suffered any serious injuries. We have also obtained multiple videos from the scene showing the aftermath of the crash.
Oh, they're dead. Watch out, they're dead, you know. Watch out, live right now.
Honda medium in a Hope Bay. I did first verse of this. See there? Yeah? You want to go to the number shop now and make door? Hey. Them no mistake. Who will I see you? I'm just going to tell you that I'm going to support you. I'm going to come out here. Because when they drive you talk to them, they don't want to hear. Because you don't know nothing. Eh? Then they mash up my scat place. Tell me what this. Next Sunday. But the one your partner is make some black one on the too? Eh? You know what is?
I never walk. I told me I had planning. I sit down on Tuki veranda. I told me I had planning, brother. I mean, I
want to totally much. There's so much of one. There are all in there.
The man has blood clot gone.
Totally gone.
Totally gone. I hope you're here to them. I see somebody post one next accident up Portland today too, you know. I saw one next accident post when me hear about me think of that one, you know.
As of news time, police had not released an official statement regarding the incident. We will continue to follow this developing story and bring you updates as more information becomes available. And that's the news on Jamaica News Page tonight, news that keeps you connected to what's happening across Jamaica, and we're powered by viewers just like you. Please leave a comment so we can welcome you with a shout out. Thank you for joining us, Cecile, and also thank you for watching Jamaica News Page tonight. We'll see you in the comments, and be sure to like, share, and join us again for more news. From all of us here, good night.